Hello friends and welcome again to the TESBIT channel on numismatics, which is devoted to spreading more information and knowledge about Indian coinage. Today we will take a deeper look at Portuguese coins in India. Portuguese of course were the first and the longest ruling colonial power in India, which had to be forcefully expelled in 1961 after a continuous presence of almost 450 plus years. And this period has left us with an enormous numismatic heritage. The coins we are looking at today will be the milled coins, which were issued in 1881 right up to 1947. The 1881 Portuguese coins were minted in the British Indian Mint of Calcutta, and they were identical to the British Indian silver rupee in size, weight, silver content, and even in their broad design. As you can see, the ruler's head is clearly on one side, one. Secondly, these coins had the same size, 30.5 millimeters, weight, 11.6 grams, and silver purity. The idea was that Portuguese rupee should be equal to the British rupee, enabling free trade between the two colonial empires. The coin that you see on the top was issued in the name of King Louis I of Portugal. Louis was succeeded in 1889 by his son Carlos. And what we see over here is some changes and some continuity. On the obverse side, the monarch's portrait has changed, but on the reverse side, we can continue to see the emblem of Portugal, which is almost very similar, except for some small changes in style. The other important feature to notice that the portrait of the new king looks in the opposite direction compared to the portrait of the old king. This was also a common feature of the times. Even in British coinage, every time the reigning monarch changes, the direction the portrait is looking also takes a change. Now, these were the coins that were issued all the way up to 1903 and 4 and were used up to 1908. But in 1908, King Carlos was assassinated together with the crown prince in what was called the Lisbon Regicide. And shortly after, Portugal became a republic. And in 1911 and 12, a new design of Uma Rupias was issued. And in this one, instead of the monarch's head, there was the head of Lady Liberty. It was a common feature at that time and even today of representing the European nations in female figures. Marianne of France is an especially common and a well-known example. On the reverse side, you will notice that the emblem of Portugal has gone, and instead we just have a simple bland India, which is the name of the place where coin is issued, and Uma Rupia, which is the designation, the value of the coin. But this change also was not permanent. In 1935, the emblem of Portugal made its way back. So even while the king is no longer there, the emblem remains. And let's just compare this emblem with the earlier coins. On one side, we see a coin of Louis and Carlos's period. And on the second side, we see the rupee of 1935. As you can see, the shield at the middle in both the coins is identical. It follows the same patterns of design, 5 escutcheons in the middle, surrounded by 7 castles outside. This was not the last variation in the silver coinage of Portuguese era. There was one more change left. In 1947, just around the time when British were leaving India, the Portuguese came out with a 1 rupee coin, which mirrored a change that had happened in British Indian coinage almost 7 years back. In 1940, British Indian coins went from using 91.7% silver to half silver. Portuguese coins continued to remain at 91.7% silver, and in 1947, the Portuguese finally issued a coin which mirrored this change and was half silver. And on this coin as well, you can continue to see the emblem of Portugal inside a Maltese cross. And these are features that you can find in the coat of arms and even the flag of Portugal even today. So I hope, friends, that this short video on Indo-Portuguese coinage was interesting for you. You can see over here a few other coins which are popular with Indian collectors, which are hard to find, especially in very high grades, but which do not cost an arm and a leg. You can find these and many other coins on our website, www.tesbit.com. Do keep following this channel and do keep looking at our website. And thank you for your time. Until next time. Thank you.